Picture this. You walk into a building with 100 locked doors. Which ones lead to people and which ones are just empty rooms? Before you start breaking in, you need to know which doors are real. That's exactly what we do in hacking. And in this video, I'll show you how to use Nmap to discover live hosts inside a network. This is called host discovery, and without it, you're blind. 1. Ping scan-SN. The easiest way to check if a host is alive is a ping scan. Nmap-SN 192.168.1.0/24. This will ping every device in the subnet and show you which ones are online. No port scan, no noise, just checking who's alive. 2. ICMP echo, timestamp, and netmask-PE-PP-PM. You can customize your discovery using different ICMP probes. Nmap-PE 192.168.1.0/24 ICMP echo, normal ping, Nmap-PP 192.168.1.0/24 ICMP timestamp request, Nmap-PM 192.168.1.0/24 ICMP netmask request. These tricks help when some firewalls block normal ping but allow other ICMP types. 3. ARP scan-PR. In local networks, the ARP scan is the most reliable. Sudo Nmap-PR 192.168.1.0/24. This sends ARP requests to every IP, and ARP can't be blocked by a firewall on a LAN. If you're scanning your WIFI or office network, ARP scan is fire. 4. Skip host discovery-PN-. Sometimes firewalls completely block ping requests. In that case, you can skip discovery and force Nmap to treat every host as alive. Nmap-PN 192.168.1.0/24. Be careful. This will try to scan everything, even dead hosts, so it takes longer. 5. Combine with port scans. Here's the power move. You can combine discovery with scanning. Nmap-SN- open 192.168.1.0/24. Now Nmap only shows live hosts with open ports. Super useful for large networks. So today, you learned the foundation of hacking with Nmap. Ping scan-SNI CMP discovery-PE-PP-PM ARP scan-PR skipping discovery-PN. Combining scans. With these techniques, you can map out who's alive in a network before deciding what to do next. In the next video, we're going deeper into advanced scanning options, stealth, decoys, fragmentation, and more. That's when you'll see how hackers slip right past firewalls. If this video made you feel like a hacker already, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and remember, the network can hide, but not from Nmap.